Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Insta360 GO3s. This is a new upgrade to the Insta360 GO3. Big difference is that this one records in 4K and the old one went to 2.7K. It's also waterproof up to 10 meters, where the other one was, I believe, 3 meters. The camera is the only thing different. The action pod is the same. So if you wanted to save a few bucks, you could buy just the camera only and use the action pod from the 3S. Another cool upgrade here is the Apple Find My function, which works kind of like an AirTag, and that's you can use the Find My function on any Apple device to find where the product was last seen when it was turned on. Kind of a cool thing. So anyway, we'll go through it. I got the standard edition here that came with the camera, the action pod, charging cable, a lens guard, magnetic pendant, the easy clip for hats and other things like that, pivot stand, and that was all that came in it. So that was really all we needed. All the other accessories and the other kits aren't things that I really have much use for, or things I already have, like a selfie stick and things like that. So get the box open here, a little tight. First thing we see is there's a QR code here to download the warranty and the user manual and some little videos to kind of teach you how to use the device. Inside after that, we've got our charging cable. It is USB-C. It goes USB-A to USB-C actually. Yep, USB-C. Otherwise, inside of here is all the paper manuals and warranty cards. If you like paper manuals, you've got it there. I've never found these to be very useful at all. Sometimes the quick start guide is nice, I guess, if you don't want to go and look online. So, but you're going to need to sync this up with the app on your phone to activate it all anyway, so it kind of defeats the purpose of having a paper manual. So now we have the actual camera itself and the action pod. First things first though, we've got the lanyard. It's like a necklace with a magnet on it. It pulls out of this little slot to hold itself together well. It's got magnets on the other side that you can put your camera on, either landscape or portrait mode, and wear it around your shirt. Now we have the easy clip. Easy clip clips onto hat brims. You can clip onto lapels. You could probably get this onto like a strap on a backpack, and that holds the camera too. The next thing we have is the sticky base for the pivot stand, and a screw holder that goes into the base there. So you can also screw this into a standard tripod mount too. This sticky base is reusable. As long as you clean it off each time, it sticks to any surface that you want to stick it to. Don't know if I would trust it on, the side of a car, but it should stick to most surfaces. Now as you hear, there's our 1/4" thread that goes into the sticky base here, but that 1/4" thread also allows you to put the pivot stand onto the end of a selfie stick or the end of a tripod pod mount. It's magnetic and has clips also to hold the camera and the pod together. Now we go to the camera itself. You've got the flip screen here, which is really cool for doing selfie vlogs. As you can see, that opens up pretty good there. You can put it whatever angle you want. It sits on the top. So if you want to do some self-vlogging, you'll be able to see yourself there. Then we have the lens cap on the camera itself. Well, here's the camera itself. It pops out. It's magnetic, but it also has a little clip that holds it in place. There's stickers on everything on this device. Says pull this off and do that, pull this off and do that. So the little lens guard unscrews. Insta360 sells a variety of neutral density filters that you can also put on these. I like that too, because if I scratch that, I'm not scratching my lens like I did on my 360 X3. I'm kind of bummed about that. Would have been nice if they had lens guards on it. So this one does, which is nice to replace it with. Now this snaps magnetically into the easy clip. You can see it holds on there pretty tightly. It also attaches magnetically and by clips to the pivot stand. That's really cool, and it only goes on one way. When you try to put it on the opposite way, the magnet will not let you do it just because of the way the polarity of the magnet. So we get that back off. That was easy to get on and off. You can see now the camera also clips onto the magnet pendant, either way, in portrait mode or landscape mode. It holds on pretty tight too. That's designed to go underneath your shirt, and then you put the camera on top of that, or you could just wear it just like it is I was showing you now. And there you can see all the pieces I got in my kit. It's not a bad deal. I think I paid $429 US for it. I opted for the 128 gigabyte kit because it was an extra $30 more than the 64 gigabyte kit. It's important to note that this has internal memory. It doesn't take SD cards, so I think it was a pretty good deal to go $30 to double your space. So they do sell for like another $45 an attachment that will go onto the camera itself that will let you download it to an SD card for storage space. But I think this was a good deal in and of itself. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe so I can keep on making more, and I'll test this camera out more this week.